To activate a Payoneer card, start by typing Payoneer into a web browser, which will direct you to the Payoneer homepage. On the homepage, you'll see various options on the left-hand side, including Home, Get Paid, Account Activity, Bank Accounts, and Business Network, as well as FAQ, notifications, and account information on the upper right. To begin, click on the Login button located on the right-hand side and fill out the required login information, including your username or email and password. Once logged in, you'll have access to the Cards option, which will be available once your account is fully set up. From there, you can navigate to the Payoneer Card section, where you'll see the option to get started with paying business expenses. Clicking on this will guide you through the account creation process. If your account is already set up, you can use your bank cards to follow the instructions and activate your Payoneer card by clicking on the Activate option. The process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll be able to successfully activate your Payoneer card and start using it for your business expenses.